Right, a quick cold start of my old Mercedes 609D. Let's see how the old girl tries at 6 degrees. See if she fires up after quite a few problems I've had with the old girl, but we'll have a look, see if she's working. It's my work in progress at the moment. As you can see, the interior is still not finished, but getting there quite slowly. Well, time and everything else is not against me at the moment, but we'll see how the old lady gets on. I've got my Chinese diesel heater running at the moment. Just first time that's fired up for a while, but that's not in place yet. But we'll see if the old lady will fire up. So here goes. So there's the mileage, 128,568 kilometers. I don't think that's from new because it's had a new tacho head, but we'll see. So out of gear and crank the old girl. Is she gonna go? No glow plugs on this bus, by the way. Really, come on, old girl. Ah, there we go. Oh, it's smoky. Still running a bit of veg oil on the old girl, but she's running. Turn up the fast idle a bit, I think. You can get it to go up. Hear a bit more revs. There you go. Well, like I say, no glow plugs, no nothing, but she's running. You can see air pressure's rising. Thank you ever so much.